Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore the tcpdump tool and learn how to use it effectively within your Kali Linux environment. tcpdump is a network analysis tool. It's a command line-based packet analyzer that captures and displays network traffic. It works seamlessly across most Unix-based systems, including Kali Linux. Security professionals frequently use tcpdump in investigations or for diagnosing network issues. Since the tool is pre-installed in Kali Linux, there's no need for additional installation. Just open the terminal and you're ready to go. First, let's clear the terminal screen using the command clear. To check the version of tcpdump installed, type tcpdump -- version and press enter. In my case, tcpdump is already installed in Kali Linux environment. If it's not installed on your system, then type the command sudo apt install tcpdump and then press enter. Now enter your password when prompted. This is how you can install tcpdump. However, in most Kali Linux setups, tcpdump should already be available. Now let's clear the screen again using the clear command. Now, to run tcpdump, type the command tcpdump and press enter. If you receive a permission denied error, you'll need to run the command with root privileges. For that, you need to type sudo tcpdump and press enter. You will now begin seeing the output in the terminal. tcpdump also supports a variety of flags, such as -v, that extend its functionality. We'll now explore how these flags help with network traffic analysis. To stop the live capture, press Ctrl+C. Since no meaningful traffic was generated during this demo yet, no packets were captured. Let's clear the screen again. Next, let's try a more specific tcpdump command. So type tcpdump -i, then enter specific network interface like eth0 for Ethernet and VLAN0 for wireless connection. -c100 specifies number of packets to be captured. Then press enter. If permission error appears again, then add sudo before the same command. The command will be sudo tcpdump -i eth0 -c100. You'll now begin seeing captured packets in the terminal. To generate traffic, open your web browser. Now as you come back to the terminal again, you will see a lot of packets are being captured. Since we set the limit to 100, the capture stops automatically after that number is reached. If you want to capture more packets, you need to rerun the command, this time changing the count to 200. Then press enter. Go to the browser and switch back to terminal. You can see that tcpdump already started to capture packets. Now switch back to your browser and open a new tab, then visit the site, google.com. If you navigate back to the terminal again, you will notice that as you interact with websites, tcpdump actively captures 200 packets in real time and 237 packets received by filter. Now use clear command to clear the screen. This covers the basic and essential usage of tcpdump. This tool allows you to monitor your network in real time, offering insights into both performance and potential problems. For instance, if your system feels slow, tcpdump can help you pinpoint traffic-related issues. It's a powerful tool for both network analysis and security diagnostics. And that's how you can effectively use tcpdump in Kali Linux.